Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Ventures. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, for those who don't know, my name is Shruti and I talk about products which are related to makeup, skincare, and health. And currently, I'm just focusing on skincare and health products. Makeup, I don't know. I think people don't like watching my makeup videos, so I have just shifted currently to skincare and health. All right, so let's talk about today's product. Today I have with me a marine clay mask from the brand Amino. This 50 grams of product retails for 1850 rupees. So before getting into the details of this product, let's just know a little about this brand Amino. Amino is a brand which basically deals with skincare and body care products. The products of this brand are holistically made and the ingredients they use are quite different. And even this mask, this has a lot of ingredients and few ingredients I just heard for the first time. I wasn't aware of these ingredients as well. So I'll tell you everything detail by detail. Okay, basically amino is kind of different word. Amino means safe and secure in Arabic. They use the benefits of Ayurveda, all our naturally occurring minerals and vitamins we have, which are found on earth. They use these ingredients, and also the products of this brand are toxic free, they are paraben free, they are cruelty free. And this also says the supernatural marine clay mask. This word supernatural excites me a lot because so this claims to detoxify, soothe, hydrate and exfoliate your skin, and also this adds a nice glow. So this has rare marine clay which contains 42 unique atomic elements and mineral rich seawater and powerful blends of botanicals, cooling peppermint, etc. Okay, so one more thing which I would like to mention over here is if you see the website, like the first image you see is of a model, the brand model, and her face has a lot of acne scars. And this is a very realistic image of a skincare brand. Like, mostly we see models having poreless, clear skin. When we are talking about a skincare brand, but this particular brand, they showcase the real face, the real kind of face which has pores, which has acne scars, which has pitted skin. So this is good. I think this is called basic realistic image. They do not fill our mind with an unreal image of a perfect poreless skin. That is really good. All right, so this is the jar. If you can see, this is made of glass, so you need to be very careful while carrying this around. Okay, and this also comes with a nice spatula. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients. What this has? This has licorice, and licorice we all know as mulethi. Mulethi has antioxidant properties, and also mulethi helps in whitening skin tone. There are a lot of deodorants which has mulethi, and it is known that mulethi helps in whitening your skin tone, right, in making your skin even toned. This has a plant which is known as Uva ursi, and that plant has antioxidant properties. This plant has a chemical which is known as arbutin, and the leaves of this plant, they have 5 to 5% of arbutin, and arbutin is known to make your skin a little bright, and also protects your skin from UV radiation. Now let's talk about the mineral clay, which is the star of the show. I was trying to talk about this. Alright, so this says that this clay was formed around, when a meteorite, it fused with earth around 214 million years ago. This happened, and this clay was formed, and this clay has fresh water, salt water and interstitial water. Interstitial water is basically water coming from rocks, coming through rocks is interstitial water, which is also very pure. Marine clay is the star of the show, I suppose. This has asafoetida, which is hing, I suppose, and this has ferulic acid. Hing has ferulic acid, which helps in giving you a glowing complexion, and also kind of removes your scars and everything. This also has mulberry, and mulberry is a shehtoot in Hindi, and mulberry has brightening properties. Mulberry helps in brightening your skin tone. This also has peppermint, and peppermint gives that cooling sensation on your skin, and peppermint kind of energizes your skin and makes your skin very nice and radiant and supple kind of a look peppermint gives. Alright, so let's get into this. Upon opening, you have this protection cap. This has a very nice fragrance. Like, if I have to relate this fragrance, this has a very natural kind of a fragrance, and this somehow smells like like we say geeli mitti, like wet earth kind of a fragrance. We have the fragrance we get after it rains. That kind of a fragrance this has. Like, it's very natural, and this is not like you will not feel a whiff of fragrance coming, but yes, the fragrance is very natural. it, and is this has so many things. Now you can relate with the fragrance, like you know, everything is plant based, so the fragrance is very natural. It's just as I told you, like gili mitti fragrance, which is really good. The texture is very nice, and the texture is somewhat thick, if you can see. So this is the texture. Yeah, so let's do a quick demo of this and see. This product says that as this has fulvic acid, you know, your face can feel a little warm after applying this face pack, so you don't have to worry about it, because that is particularly normal, and that is okay. You don't remove this if you're feeling your face is feeling a little warm. And in my case, I didn't feel like that. Like my face wasn't feeling warm. There was a slight tingling sensation after applying this. That was for like 1 or 2 minutes. I had that tingling kind of a sensation. Once it started to dry, that feeling also went. I had small tingling kind of sensation, but after removing, there was no redness at all, which is a great thing for me, because this is the one thing which I'm always scared of. Like my skin shouldn't turn red after removing a mask. So my skin was not red, as you saw. So this is a great buy, guys. I suppose I know this sounds a little expensive. 1850 is not cheap. 1850 is expensive, but I think investing on a nice skincare product is very important, because I always say that your skin is going to be with you for the rest of your life. You have to take care of your skin. You have to be very particular about your skin, so invest in this. Also, very less amount is required to apply on the face and neck, because this spreads quite easily. This is not chalky or cakey in texture. This spreads very easily, so a little quantity goes a long way. So this jar will go a long way, and you just have to apply it twice or thrice a week. So I think this is good. I suppose this is good. This will be value for money. Alright, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.